Look at what finally arrived. It was supposed to get here on Monday. It's Friday now. FedEx has been playing games with me, so here I am unboxing. I purchased this bag, the Toy LouLou from Neiman Marcus. They're in their gift card promotion. Anyway, I'm just inspecting it. Looks great. Inside, Saint Laurent. Shirt. There's two compartments here. These are zippers. There's still plastic here. Let's see. So it does come with a dust bag. For some reason, I feel like this is a return item. You guys saw how it came. Like, this is my first time opening it. And, like, shouldn't it be in this thing? Okay. I'm just gonna do some more inspection on this. For now, we'll see if it fit. So I have here my Marc Jacob wallet you've seen in the previous video. Obviously, I don't think it's going to fit. Obviously not. And this is a Tory Burch card holder. Fits perfectly in there. And then I just switched out my phone case, but this is the size of a 11 Pro Max. Fits in there as well, and you still have room. I'm just grabbing a couple things. This is the mini pochette. This is what I wanted to know, if it fits in here. And it does fit, but it's like pretty like tight squeeze, and that's really all you can fit in there. So let's say if I were to put this in here too, like that's all you would put, really. Like you dedicate this spot for that. Just go in. Let me see the strap. So on this, it says Paris, Saint Laurent. Are there any scratches? Let's inspect it together. Okay, this one, Paris, Saint Laurent. I'm always afraid that I'll get like a return bag and that it's like fake, because you know, sometimes when you return a bag, the person accepting the return aren't going to look at it and be like, oh, this is fake or this is real. Like, they aren't the one authenticating the bag. So if you guys can help me look at the bag to make sure it's right. But yeah, I'm super happy. This is my first one. I was really debating between this one and the small size. This is the toy. The small one's a bit it's bigger and it can fit more, and it has the chain, like the shoulder strap. And that one, I felt like it was really nice, but I'm more of like a crossbody gal, which that you can use the small ones as a crossbody as well, but I feel like this is more like casual for me and I'll get more use out of this. This is my first like luxury bag besides like this. I guess like this is like a small leather good, so I don't know if that counts. So these two are like my first luxury items, so I'm happy with this purchase. I bought it from Neiman Marcus during the gift card promotions. I did pay $1,250 plus 6% tax, so like $1,325